Hello, all of you beautiful Stardust people out there, and welcome to my 366 days creative challenge, in which I challenge myself to write, compose, and paint every day of this year. Today I did 3 small paintings, and I chose to talk about the second one, which is a cage and a bird out of the cage. And anyway, this is what inspired me, and the poem goes like this. We are all free as birds. We all have wings. We all can sing. We all can live with more or less anything. We all can fly, can travel far. We're free as birds. Just don't know that we are. I hope you liked today's video, and in case you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for more paintings, poems, and music, of course. It was a pleasure showing you what I did today, and all that I can say at this point is love you, kisses, bye bye.